For many, the American dream can be summed up in 2 words: home ownership. However, Muslim Americans who live by the ideals of Islam will never achieve it through conventional financing. That's because, like other Abrahamic faiths, Islamic law strictly prohibits the practice of riba, which is the lending and borrowing of money at interest, something conventional banks don't have a problem with. You see, a bank converts cash deposits into debt, and the more debt they sell through credit cards or interest-bearing loans, the better. Moreover, they are value neutral, meaning they lend to a variety of borrowers, some of which contradict their customers' values and principles. So financing a home through a bank means actively enriching a bank and its desire for more riba, while indirectly supporting ventures prohibited by Islam. Not your ideal partnership. Not your ideal partner. So, how do you buy a home without compromising your ideals? What you need is a little guidance. Since 2002, Guidance Residential has helped over 30,000 Muslims realize the dream of homeownership without compromising their ideals. In fact, Guidance is the only home financing organization that actually establishes a co-ownership with consumers via a limited liability company, or LLC, offering a Shariah-compliant way to purchase a home. That's why the Assembly of Muslim Jurists of America, or AMJA, has called Guidance and its co-ownership model the most permissible path to Islamic home financing. In this diminishing co-ownership, the consumer agrees to buy out Guidance's share and pay a usage fee for the portion of the property they don't yet own, which lessens as their stake in the property grows. Now, some banks, through subsidiaries they have created, claim to have adopted similar models to Guidance's co-ownership program without setting up an LLC that would legally establish co-ownership. They also claim that these subsidiaries they created are not part of the bank and are merely a passive investment by the bank. Here are the facts. According to U.S. Code Title 12, Chapter 2, which governs the conduct of U.S. banks in the business of banking, banks are precluded from investing in and owning real property, meaning they can't become owners or co-owners of real estate. This is one of the main reasons they can't set up an LLC, which would establish true co-ownership in real property. As for the bank's claims of simply being passive investors in a subsidiary, U.S. Code 12 CFR Section 5.34 E2 states that a bank must have complete control of the subsidiary's management team and operations of the subsidiary, and no other person or entity has the ability to exercise effective control or influence over the management or operations of the subsidiary. In other words, the bank's subsidiary is an extension of the bank and is governed by U.S. banking laws. As the only non-bank and riba-free financing provider approved by an independent world-renowned Sharia board, Guidance understands and shares in the ideals you live by. The American dream of home ownership, made possible with a little help from Guidance Residential, your exclusive partner for Islamic home financing. Visit guidanceresidential.com to learn more about our declining balance co-ownership program.